Hello, this is the See It, Try It, Speak It, the Vintage Toaster. Take a minute to look at the image. What do you see? Try to make 2 to 3 English sentences on your own. Pause the video while you do this. Pause now. Well done. Did you say there is a toaster? The toaster is a cream color with silver and brown accents. There are 2 pieces of bread. The bread has oats on them. These are some examples of what you could have said about the image. Now, let's look at the image description. This toaster has a clean and elegant design. It has a smooth cream body and silver accents to create a vintage and stylish look. On the front, there are 3 buttons and a control switch, allowing users to adjust the toasting level easily. A round dial at the bottom lets users set the exact toasting time to their preference. At the top, 2 freshly toasted slices of bread are rising slowly, filling the air with a warm and toasty aroma. The bread is topped with oat flakes, adding a healthy touch. This toaster is more than just a kitchen appliance. It is a small joy that makes mornings more delightful. At the start of a busy day, a piece of crispy golden toast will bring a moment of comfort, satisfaction to anyone. Now that we've read the image description, let's look at the 10 questions. Do the questions on your own first. Pause the video while you do this. We will go over them after. Pause now. Wonderful. Let's take a look at question number 1. What color is the toaster's body? The answer is C, cream. We see a cream toaster in the image, but the description does tell us its color. Question 2. What feature helps adjust toasting level? B, a control switch and a dial. The switch does the toasting level, the dial helps with toasting time. The answer is B. Question 3. What is on the slices of bread in the toaster? B, oat flakes. The image description tells us they are oat flakes, and we can definitely see them in the image. Question 4. What material adds a stylish touch to the toaster? And it would be C, the silver metal elements. They stand out and give it a nice, clean look. We can see them in the image. Question 5. What happens at the top of the toaster? B, freshly toasted slices rise slowly. We see bread coming up out of the toaster in the image, and the description uses these exact words to describe it. Question 6. What kind of atmosphere does this toaster create? And it is definitely a warm and vintage charm from that warm toast. Question 7. What makes this toaster practical for daily use? And the answer here is B. It allows users to adjust the toasting time. This is said in the image description. And adjusting the toasting time means you can have lightly toasted, toasted, or almost burnt black toasted if you really want. Question 8. Why is this toaster described as more than just a kitchen appliance? The answer is B. It makes mornings more enjoyable. What's better than just bread? Toasted, warm pieces of toast. Delicious. The answer is B. Question 9. What feeling does the freshly toasted bread create? Remember, create means to make. The answer here is B. Warm and toasty. The bread itself is warm, feels warm. That toasty smell, that toasted look, it's warm and toasty. Question 10. What makes this toaster different from modern digital toasters? The answer here is A. It has a classic and simple design. There's not too many buttons, there's not too many features. It looks beautiful and like a step back in time. These words are used in the description about the image, and we can see it in the image as well. Now that you've done these 10 questions and we have gone over them, go back and do them again with our ebook. The ebook will go over each question and give a detailed explanation for why each answer is correct. Also, reread the image description 2 to 3 more times. This will help with your understanding, sentence structure, and English vocabulary. I personally also recommend look at the image again. Make more sentences. You can never have enough practice. In today's lesson, we described a toaster. Did you like the lesson? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification button. You can also check the description box below for the link to our ebook. The ebook is available for purchase at the Google Store and will be on sale for 30% off for 3 months. Remember, no matter how challenging it looks, never give up. English isn't hard when you're with me. In fact, English is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Thank you again so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so we can keep making content for you. We're on this English journey together. Until next time, bye-bye for now.